My name is Andrew Custer. I live in Mountain Grove, Missouri. I was just your typical farm boy, worked a lot of cattle farms. In '94, I was involved in accidental shooting. That left me as a C6, C7 quadriplegic. Where I live, it's harder to do everything. You have to be very resourceful. You have to be independent and not rely on others. That's just life. You adapt. If you don't adapt, you're not going to survive. My first drone was a Phantom, and that was where the magic began. The confinement from the wheelchair is gone when you get lost in the screen. Lost in the screen is right where I want to be. I do industrial and utility inspections, realty, mapping, and whatever I can do to use my drone every day. In the countryside, we just make what we need. If we don't have it, we can build it. 4 years ago, my dad and I constructed the Suburban. It has a lift in it that gives me the ability to go out on any location. Being self-sufficient is one of the things I pride myself on. I want to be able to go out my door, drive down the road, get out of my vehicle, get my drone, and on those beautiful sunny days, be out in the countryside, city, it doesn't matter. You can travel to some of the greatest destinations on earth. Take out your drone, put it in the air, and fly it. I really love the action and wanting to be right there on my target. I want to be right there on the helmet of that motocross rider. Flying just gives that satisfaction. One of my main goals is to teach my daughter everything there is to know about country life and business, and hope I can leave it all to her one day. My daughter is my world. I'll do anything to make her happy. Don't give up on anything. There are so many things out there that you can do. It's amazing. The world is a different world when you actually get out there. It may be hard at first, but you can adapt.
Plant a tree up on the hill, and days go by on your windowsill, then you're standing in its shade.